Hello everyone, this is about to be a very chaotic video because I'm doing something that I've never done before and I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're just gonna wing it and hope that it turns out good. So I recently discovered that, quote unquote discovered, that I have a plain wall on my back patio and I moved all of my furniture and I've noticed that that is like the perfect spot for photographs and I've been loving it, but it's just not cute. It's not aesthetic, it's not cute. So I looked up ways to kind of spice it up and we're doing a greenery wall today, people. We're doing a greenery wall. We're doing the damn thing. So let's go on this adventure together and see how it turns out. Okay, so I got this kit on Amazon. I want to say it was around $70. I don't remember, but it comes with, gosh, I don't even know, like 12 of these things, 12 20 by 20s, which is actually like a decent size, which I think will be perfect for out there. And then it has like little vines in case you're missing any pieces. And then it comes with the zip ties so that you can connect it first before hanging it up because it makes it a whole lot easier. And it came with some gloves, so we're gonna be wearing our gloves to do this. And then I tried YouTubing like how to do it on a cement wall because I've seen people do it on like a cardboard box, or not box, but cardboard, or on like plywood. But I have a cement wall out there, so I had to order these cement wall hook things for like concrete. And let me tell you, I went to Home Depot, I went to Lowe's, and I called Walmart. I think I called 2 or 3 different Walmart locations and no one had them, so I just had to order them, and luckily they came overnight and they weren't pricey, which was nice. So there's those. So we are going to put together all of our tiles now. Okay, so I've done 1 row of 4, and then I have 1 other row of 4 to do, and then I need to figure out how I'm gonna do the rest to fill in like the little spaces. So let's go hang up the first one.